Hey there, it's Tony with Servi-Visa. First of all, I want to thank you for coming and checking us out. So, firstly, if you are a digital nomad and you have been searching and searching for information in English, you just want to get this visa done. You're techie, you know what you need to do, you have all the paperwork. I created a free guide for you. It has everything that you need in order to get your visa here in Colombia, your digital nomad visa. In fact, it's actually based off of a document that I use to train our Servi-Visa agents. So the idea is that you can do this alone. If you don't need us, then that's even better. We do provide other services that are within the guide. For example, apostille, notary services, document translation. So you may need us at one point or another during your application process. But if you don't, that's great. But if you do, you know that you can reach out to us. I founded Servi-Visa because I knew how difficult this process was for me to do. And I needed to connect with attorneys, notaries, uh, apostille agents all over not only Colombia, but also the US in order to make this a seamless transition for most digital nomads. So with that, I'm telling you, we provide two main services. The main service, and it's great, is actually we have a travel agency. We're all US based. So we have a travel agency in the US in Miami called Parcero Travel. So if you're just kind of getting the idea, hey, I think I want to go and live in Colombia, or I want to go and visit Colombia, we can get you here no matter what part of the world. We will set you up. We will get you to experience Colombia. And then once you're ready to transition, we can help you with that too. But the main thing is first get to know Colombia. Now, if you've been here, you know Colombia, you're just looking for the paperwork, then we're here to help you. Colombia is one of those places that whether if you have an international employer or you are self-employed and have a business that you can prove to the Colombian government that you can live here with no problems, you're going to live not only an inexpensive lifestyle, which I think a lot of people do want. The fact is that Colombia is one of the most beautiful countries I have ever visited. For $50, $60, you can get on an airplane and go visit Cartagena, Cali, Barranquilla. You can visit San Andres, which is an island off of Nicaragua that belongs to Colombia. You can visit Bogota, Medellín, El Eje Cafetero. You can go to so many places in Colombia. You will never get bored. It is a beautiful country. It is a healthy country. It is a walkable country. It is honestly it's a place that I can't get enough of. So with that being said, thank you for downloading the guide, and you have our information. So it's www.servi-visa.com, and we're here to help you. So I'll see you soon. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's at TonyXTravels, and I'll link everything down there. And you can reach out to me personally. I'll link my email here. If you have any questions along the way, even if you don't work with me, even if you don't hire us, it's not a big deal. We're nomads and we're here to help each other. So hit me up if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you.